Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 7 and Day 8. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser, crayons along with you. Yes, yesterday I gave one homework. What is that? Worksheet number 8, question number 2. Did you all complete that worksheet, my dear children? Yes, now I will show the answers. Just you have to check out. If you make a mistake means correct it now. Okay? Yes. See this, my dear children. Match the words with pictures. Wig, log, fin, dog, rob, then tip. You will complete this. All are correct, my dear children? Yes. If you make a mistake means no problem. Now you have to rub and write it correctly, okay? Yeah, let us move to the phonics section. Introduce the concept of word families. Now I will introduce the concept of word families, okay? What is that word families? When two or more words have the same middle and end sounds, they belong to a one word family. Once again, when two or more words have the same middle and end sound, they belong to a one word family. Okay? Listen the board now. See this, my dear children. See the CBC word, 3-letter word. Yes, this word, middle and end sound, same. Right, okay? Yes, these words have a middle and end sound same, right? Listen to the second word. This word also have a same middle and end sounds, right? This word also middle and end sound same. Then this word also middle and end sound same. So this means that they are part of the same word family. So this means that they are part of the same word family, right? So, this is the ig word family. What is that? This is the ig word family. What is that? This word is the ig word family. Let us see some more examples. See that? Yeah, this word also middle and end sound same, right? Yes. They have a same word family that they have come together. This is the same word family. Middle and end sound have same, right? So this is the og word family. What is that? Og word family. What is that? Og word family. Dog, fog. This is the ig word family. Big and wig. Do you understand? So, middle and end sound same come, right? These two words. Here also, middle and end sound same, right? Yes. Now, my dear children, you have to think your own. Give some example for the same word families. Yeah, great, my dear children. Now I will show the CRL. Shall we do one word family activity? Okay? Yes. See this, my dear children. Listen carefully. Which words are the part of the same word family? See this. Mob, wig, cob. Mob, wig, cob. Can you guess the answer? Yeah, which words has the same word family? Yes, mob and cob. See this, my dear children. Mob and cob has the same word family. Yes. See the next one. Which words are the part of the same word family? Think and say. Pin, tip, tin. Which means middle and end sound has the same sounds, right? Which word? Yes, pin and din have a same word family. See this, pin fin. Yes, great, my dear children. Let us see one more example. See the pictures. What are that? Fin, fork, log. Fin, fork, log. Which words are the part of the same word family? Can you guess the answer? Yes, great, my dear children. Fog and log. These words have a same word family. See that? Fog, log. Fog, log had a same word family. See that? Can you say anybody? Dog, sit, hit. Hit. Right? Yes. Very good. Sit and hit. Sit and hit has a same word family. See that? So do you understand, my dear children? Middle and end sound has the same means, that are the word families. Right? Yeah, see that next picture. Pick, wig, fog. Can you say that? Which word has the same word family? Yes, pig and wig. Pig and wig are the part of the same word family. See this. Yeah, great, my dear children. So do you understand, my dear children, same word family? Yes, let us move to the whole word session. Now shall we recap some whole words from your SR book? Yes. Now you will open your SR book, SR 19, page number 62. I will give you 3 seconds time. I start counting 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your SR book. Today I will recap the words. Wood. You also keep your fingers, okay, or pencil left to right. How we have to read these words? Yes, we do not use the letter sounds to read these words, right? Yes, read the same one sentence. You have to keep your fingers. Wood, wood, wood. Say, say, say. Tell, tell, tell. You also read along with me. Tell, tell, tell. There, there, there. Our, our, our. You also repeat along with me, my dear children. Yes. Now I will introduce the new whole words. Listen to the flashcards. See that? Very, 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 very. You also read along with me. Very, very. Has, 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 has. Long, 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 long. Fast, 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 fast. Leaves, 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 leaves. Yeah, great, my dear children. Now I will show the CRL related whole words this. Let us see some example sentences from this. Very, very, very. It can run very fast. It can run very fast. Has, has, has. It has big horns. It has big horns. It has big horns. Long, long, long. It has a long trunk. It has a long trunk. You also repeat after me. It has a long trunk. Fast, fast, fast. It can run very fast. It can run very fast. Repeat after me. It can run very fast. Lives, lives, lives. She lives in a village. She lives in a village. Yeah, great, my dear children. Once again, let us recap what we learned from whole words. Today, introduce the whole words. Right? What are that? Fast, lives, long, has, and very. Now, let us move to the reading and listening comprehension. First of all, we will recap the events. Now, you will open your SR book, SR 8, page number 51. I will give you 3 seconds time. 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your SR book. See that sequencing events. What is that? Important things that happen in a story are called events, right? The story la importance enna nadanducho that happen are called events. Putting the events in the order they happen is called sequencing events. Putting the events in the order they happen is called sequencing events. We can sequence events by numbering them. Right? We can sequence events by numbering them. See that? Sequencing or even in the story, we are all animals. Let us see that. What are the events? The boy sees, the animal sees, the boy here, the animals here. Right? See that. The boy sees, the animal see, the boy hears, the animal hear. Let us see the order wise. They'll give a 1, 2, 3 and 4. Do you understand? Yes. Important things that happen in a story are called events. Putting the events in the order they happen is called sequencing of events. 1, 2, 3 portfolio, that is the sequencing of events, right? See this, my dear children. Let us sequence picture of the stories that we have read in the last class. See that? Some lives on land, right? Next. Some live in water. Next. Monkeys and birds live on trees. Bear and bats live on caves. Number 1, 2, 3 likewise they have. Frog and turtle live on a pond. Next, fishes and octopus live in water. Deer and fox live in a forest. We live in a house. We all live on planet Earth. Sequencing like la vandirukilaya? Correct is yes. Now shall we do one worksheet from this related sequencing? Are you ready? Yes. Now you will open your workbook. Worksheet number 12. Worksheet number 12. Question number 1. Page number 63. I'll give you 3 seconds time. Let us start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. See this, my dear children. Sequencing. Number the pictures in the correct sequencing. See this. See the first picture. Then second picture, third one and fourth one. You can see some picture of the story Home of Animals that we read the earlier in the class, right? You have number them 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them in the sequencing and write about the picture. I'll give you 5 seconds time. See that? Which is the first one? So this is the number 1, right? Then number 2, fish. Then number 3, turtle and frog lives in a pond. Number 4, we are live on the earth, right? Yes. Let us check your answers, my dear children. Animals lives in a forest. Fish lives in a water. Then turtle and then tortoise lives in a pond. Then fourth one, this one. Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Now you will open your SR book, SR 11, page number 54, Home of Animal Story. Now you will read that story, okay? Yes, I'll give you 3 seconds time. 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all open that SR book. You also read along with me. Home of Animals. Animals have many homes. Some lives on land. Some live in water. Monkeys and birds live on trees. You also read along with me. Bear and birds live in caves. Frog and turtle live in a pond. Fishes and octopus live in water. Deer and fox live in a forest. We live in a house. We all live on planet Earth. We all live on planet Earth. Did you read along with me, my dear children? Yes. What will happen in their house is destroyed? Yeah, great. Forest and water, etc. Where will they go? How will you feel if someone destroyed your home? Yes, great, my dear children. So, did you clear from this story, my dear children? Yes. Now, shall we do one worksheet from this? Now, you will open your worksheet number 9. Question number 2. Are you ready? Yes. Page number 60. I'll give you 3 seconds time. 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your worksheet. See this, my dear children. Earth is a home for all animals, right? Including humans. So this can be theme of our story, sharing our planet of Earth. Now you have to write this theme of the story, right? Then you have to write the events in the space below and number them. After that, theme of the story, you have to write it down, okay? Yes. Just you have to think about this. So see that some lives in a land, some lives in a water, right? Bears and birds lives in a caves. We live in a house, right? Yes. So here put number 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Then theme of the story, animals live in a different homes. See this? Some live on land, some live on water. Bears and birds live in caves. We live in a house. Animals live in a different home. So just you have to pause the video and then write it this, okay? Check out your answers. So do you clear from this reading and listening comprehension part? Yes. Now let us move to the action words activity. Now I will show the CRL. Listen carefully. What is the action words, my dear children? What you have to do? நீங்க என்ன செய்றீங்களோ that is the action, right? Yes. So I saw the CRL. Write the action words you can see in the pictures. Okay, I saw the picture. You will see that. After that, you have to write it down. What action did you see that? You will write your grammar part in your notebook. See that. Listen carefully. I will give 50 seconds time. What actions? Yeah, did you see that picture, my dear children? What are that? Eat, talk, run, walk and see, right? Now you will write down your notebook, all action words, right? Just you have to see that. Next, I'll show the next slide. You also see that. After that, write it down in your notebook. See that. See the picture. Listen carefully, my dear children. Here also run, eat, talk, listen, sit, play, right? Yes. This also you have to write it down your notebook from grammar page, okay? So these are all the action words from this picture. Yeah, do you clear, my dear children? Action words from grammar part? Yes. Now you will open your notebook and write it down in your home. So do you understand, my dear children, in grammar part? Yes. Now I will teach you a writing and speaking expression skill. From this expression skill, we will do one worksheet activity first of all. You will take the worksheet number 12, question number 2, page number 63. I'll give you 3 seconds time. I start counting 3, 2, 1 and 0. Which worksheet you have to take? Worksheet number 12. Which question number? Question number 2. What is the page number of that worksheet, my dear children? 63. Yes. See that? Complete the sentence by using the words from the box below. Right? See that? First of all, we will read the sentence and look at the picture with sentence, okay? Use the words from this given boxes to fill in the blanks, right? First, shall we read the sentence with picture? Yes. You also read along with me. This is a dash. What is this picture? Beer. What is this picture? Beer. Here having any beer word? Yes. See that. Beer, right? Next, the bear lives in a, what is this picture? The bear lives in a cave. Here having any word? Yes, you will take this word, then write it down. Next, this is a, what is this? Fox. Here having that word, you will take and write this fox. Next, the fox lives in a dash. Forest. Very good. Here having that word, you will write this blank. Next, we all live on planet. What is that? Earth. Here having, you will take and write this. See this, my dear children. Just you have to pause the video and write the answers. This is a bear. The bear lives in a cave. This is a fox. The fox lives in a forest. We all live on planet Earth. Yes. Write neatly. Don't scribble the worksheet, my dear children. Now listen to the board, my dear children. This is a uppercase letter P, Q, R. Then lowercase letter P, Q, R. Now you will take your notebook, writing and speaking expressions page. You will write each one letter for one line. Each one line for every letter. Uppercase letter P, Q, R. Then lowercase letter P, Q, R. Okay? Yes. Now, let us revise from today's class. We learned about the phonics section, egg and og word family. Then we discussed that. Then whole words. We learned about new whole words. Fast, leaves, long, right? Then what are that? Do you know that? If you have anybody say has, very, right? Then we have to related sentence also. We have to recap that. Next, reading and listening comprehension. We recap the sequencing events and also read the story again. Then we have to complete that related worksheets. In grammar part, We saw some slide, then write about the actions. Then writing and speaking expression skill, we did one worksheet and then draw the letters, upper and lower case letters, P, Q, R. Now you will write your notebook, each one line for every letter. Then you have to complete the today's worksheets in your home. Write neatly, my dear children. Yes. Bye. Thank you. Happy learning. Be safe.